everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is December 23rd and I am so excited. I wish all my viewers a very happy holiday and happy new year. Whether you celebrate or not, just enjoy this time. There's very few days of the year that everybody's off and you can celebrate just by doing whatever you want. Okay, so it's not yet December 31st, so I am doing my last hurrah of a shopping haul. I still have some more stuff coming, but when that December 31st comes around, instead of me watching the ball drop, I'll be deleting my shopping apps from my phone. I intend not to shop for January and February. I need to ease it up. To fill in that time, I'm trying to, gonna probably produce more videos for you. And I'm also going to be supplementing my workout with another workout, all right? I'm hoping to be able to get in there once or twice a week. So today, first up, a Moto jacket, black. This is to replace, I do have one black faux leather Moto jacket, and I love it. It's from Blank NYC, but the arm is literally starting to fray, like the faux leather is peeling. And I'm debating whether or not I can last this winter without it, or do I just buy one, you know, if I find a good deal. So I happened to go on Nordstrom Rack, because I can't help myself. It's an app on my phone. And I found this one by Blank NYC, and I really do like Blank NYC's clothes. And it was on sale for $49.97, which I don't think is a bad price. Again, it has the Moto style. These are working snaps here. This one up here is not a working snap, but the one here is a working snap. It zips down to the bottom. It's got working snaps here at the bottom too. All right. Zipper pockets on the side that really work, you know, which is good, versus sometimes they have the pockets like that. That's kind of useless. So these are good pockets on these. And I don't want a belt with my Motos, but you see how this one kind of has like this faux band, or like a band and a tie like a faux belt. I do like that because it creates a waist for me. I don't like Motos that tend to go straight down. So I'm a straight, more or less straight body shape, but with some hips. I like something that creates a waist for me. And it has zippers here on the arms. So if this fits well, I'll keep this and retire the other one I have. It is a nice quality faux leather, very soft and supple. Like I said, Blank NYC makes excellent Moto jackets, and I highly recommend them for a faux leather Moto jacket, all right? Next up, Stitch Fix. Couldn't wait to get these, all right? So I never heard of this name brand before. It popped up on my app on Stitch Fix, and it was called THEO and LEIGH Pajamas. 100% organic, and these, and I've been wearing them. They're the Fair Isle, and I showed them to you a while back. Love them to death. And then these popped up, and I said, oh, I gotta get these as well too. So these are very, I guess, festive and Christmassy looking. I am not a huge buffalo print person, but I love, love, love the style of these pajamas because they're just very, very cooling for me now. So they keep me warm and insulated at 100% cotton, but when I get a hot flash at night, I can cool down pretty quickly because they're 100% cotton. I've been loving the other pajamas, and yeah, I wanted to get these because they were so, so comfy. So I will model these for you. I do like them a lot, and I'm most likely gonna keep them as long as they fit like the other ones did, which they should. Okay. Next up, Bloomingdale's, okay? Let's see here. All right, so the first thing I got, which I already know I'm gonna return. So for my birthday, my mother-in-law gave me a gift card to Bloomingdale's, and I was very excited. And I also had a $50 off coupon if I spent $200 or more. And I had a $25 reward for being a loyalist. So I had $75 off and the gift card. So I kind of made out here. So the first thing I got are these aqua small stud earrings, all right? And when I heard small, this is exactly what I wanted. They're faux, they're cubic zirconia. I wanted earrings that looked like diamonds that didn't have the price, but I'm sorry, these are way too big. I thought they were gonna be teeny tiny, and these to me are not teeny tiny. To me, these look like cubic zirconia. When they get to be that big, they look fake to me. So these will be going back. These were only $20.37. Believe it or not, I had a pair of cubic zirconia just like this. They're just plain round and gold. And I let my daughter borrow them, and of course she lost one of them, all right? So I just want a plain, basic, diamond looking earring. And I think when they're small enough, nobody can tell if they're diamond or real because they're teeny tiny. And these are just not them. So these are going back. I'm not even gonna try them on for you. I wanna keep them nice for the next person. And they were going to go back in my bag to return to Bloomies, which, believe it or not, as crazy it may seem, I plan on going on Christmas Eve. You're like, what? You're going through the mall Christmas Eve? I plan on taking my workout at 6 in the morning, coming home and showering, getting done by 7, and then driving up there and hopefully getting there just as they open and do my returns and get the hell out. All right, next up. So I had this gift card, I had the $75 off, and I had to use it before. The gift card I could use at any time, but the coupons I had to use by the end of the year. All right, so I was searching on their site and I came across this cardigan and my heart just fluttered. All right, so this was on sale for $60, but my price after the coupons was $50.94. And I love Astor the Label. This is an Astor the Label little cardigan, and most people probably wouldn't like this. I understand this is not everyone's style, but I just thought this was so sweet and so dainty. It's very cottagecore, which isn't me, but this one was just so cute. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. All right, it has little faux, like, I guess cubic zirconia or crystals or whatever here, and they're little flowers in pink embroidered over this with teeny little green leaves. And it's like an oatmeal color. It's an oatmeal color with a hint of blush to it, all right? So it's a beigeish, blushish sweater, and then it has little pink flowers embroidered throughout it. And it's the button-down cardigan style with like the tortoiseshell buttons. And they are functioning buttons. And I believe this was 100% polyester. Let me look. Believe it was, yes, 100% polyester, which I will take 100% polyester over 100% acrylic any day of the week. And this one is dry clean only, and there's no question about it. I will dry clean this. I mean, with the little things here, this is too delicate. I would not put this in the machine. This is definitely a dry cleanable item. And it has a tiny little puff sleeve here too. So sweet. I can't wait to try this on. It's gonna have to look hideous for me not to get it. I love it. Okay. Next item I got, because I do need a replacement pair of white jeans. My white jeans are from November 2018. I don't like the rise on them. The rise, it doesn't stay up at my waist. It comes down. I also have a problem. I have very thick calves, and often pants will grab on my calves and pull down even more. And I don't like that. So that's one other reason I don't like the skinny style is my calves are super large, and they cling to the calves, and it's like if I have one wrong move or if they're too tight, they get pulled down from my waist, and I don't like that. So I'll say, let me give these a try. I don't think maybe I have. These are Gen 7. Maybe I have tried Gen 7. I'm not even sure, to be honest with you. They were $99, and they were white, and they were a straight leg style, and they call these the straight crop and roll, all right? So these are not gonna be crop on me. These are probably gonna be full length on me, which I can roll, all right? There seems to be a heck of a lot of stretch in these. I would say they're probably a high rise. I'll have to try these on. And yeah, I got these in my normal size, a size 0. And like I said, I've never tried Gen 7. I'm hoping that it is not too see-through. I'm kind of seeing some see-throughness here now with the pockets and everything. We'll see what they look like on, and the camera won't lie. All right, so give me a minute and I will do a try on. Okay, up first is the Moto jacket. I already know I'm gonna be returning this Moto jacket. It is too short, all right? You can see as I'm lifting up here, it's like half my back here is exposed. And on top of that, I put my hands in the pockets, and the pocket already has a hole in it. So this one, and it's just multiple holes in the pocket. There's a hole up here. Moreover, it's so short that my hands are up here by my boobs. They're not down here on the side. So this one will be going back. Okay, next outfit are the pajamas. Okay, next up are the pajamas. And I just have to say about that Moto jacket, I think that's a sign to say, Carolyn, you have enough clothes. Use the Moto jacket you have. All right, so I think that is like a sign that I need to just ease up and just use what I had and stop buying. But these pajamas are a definite keeper. I love the 100% cotton. I love that they're super soft. They do have I got them through Stitch Fix, but I did look into them. They do have a website with limited stuff on it. They're called THEO and LEIGH, L-E-I-G-H. If you go to their website, you'll see they have a lot of family style pajamas. So you can buy the same thing so your family can coordinate if you're into that. So I guess maybe that's why I like it, because they're kind of like little kid pajamas. They're very, very soft and comfortable, and these are a keeper. Like I said, I'm not much into the buffalo plaid, but I think these are cute for this time of year, or any time of the year really, because they're very, I don't know, very comfortable. Totally my style. Okay, next up, I'm going to try on those white jeans. Give me a minute. Okay, I have on the white pants, and I'm moving back, so hopefully you still can't see them. Let me think about how I can get this down for you so you can see the length on these. And this is where I have my problem. These are not petite, and I know they're cuff and roll, but I just think they're too long. So this side is obviously not cuffed. And you can see there's a lot of extra fabric on the bottom. When I take my boot off, it actually covers part of my heel. It goes all the way down and covers part of my heel. This side I have rolled up twice. Other than that, they fit great, like around the waist. They come just right here. Here's my belly button, so they come right to my belly button, which is why I like it. I paired it with this blouse and these booties because this is probably how I'd wear it in the winter time, okay? I don't think I want these jeans because of the length. I have time to find white jeans. It's the middle of winter. There are going to be 9 million options of white jeans. These were no bargain. They were $99, and then I got a certain amount off because of my coupons. And if I'm going to be spending that much, I think I want ones that I can wear straight leg without having to roll them, all right? So I like the way they fit everywhere. I'm just not crazy about the length. I'm also going to have to look back at the footage because I think the pockets are pretty see-through, but it always seems like I can't seem to find jeans that aren't see-through and white. So again, for $99, and by the way, these are very, very shallow pockets. This is as far as my hands go. So if they're not going to make a pocket this shallow, they might as well not make a pocket at all, right? Because it's shallow and you can see the lines. So I think these are going back too. I think I need to be very choosy and picky about what I buy. I do want a new pair of white jeans. I do want a new Moto jacket, but I'm not just going to settle for anything. I want something that I really, really like. All right, last up is the sweater, and I can't imagine myself not keeping that because I just love it. Give me a second. Okay, I'm kind of bumming because I think the sweater's a little bit too small to have it buttoned. And I think if I went up first place to get in the next size, I think it's going to be tough because this was already on sale. Maybe I can try and reorder it, but I think it would be too big otherwise. It fits everywhere else. The sleeve length is perfect. It's just pulling a little bit here. I'm going to look back at the footage to see how bad it is, but then I said, you know, I can always just wear it open or even partially unbuttoned, and I think it will be fine, you know. I'm going to look at, again, I'm using this to judge what I should do. Sometimes I change my mind after watching these videos and going, Carolyn, what were you thinking shoving yourself into that tiny little cardigan? I don't know. But from the mirror, I thought, well, I could get away with it. And then I said, well, if I can't get away with it when I come down here, I can always just wear it open and wear it as an open cardigan. I think it's adorable. I'll show you up close the flowers again, okay? So the ring light's kind of blowing it out, but it has these pretty little flowers with these delicate little like rhinestones in the center, and it has like a cable stitching down here, and it has the tortoiseshell buttons, and it is a crop style. That much I do know. All right, it is a tiny little sweater. I think it's adorable. I totally see wearing this like in the months of April. It's still cold here in April, and I want it to be spring. And this is, to me, my total transition type of piece. This is exactly how I wouldn't wear these boots with it. I never changed my shoes. I was going to wear my ivory booties with it if I was too lazy. But I would wear it with white jeans, this little pink cami, and my ivory booties. And this would be a great transition outfit. So I love this sweater. I think I'm going to keep it and not size up, but I'm going to look back at the footage to decide. Okay, so that's it for this haul. So thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? What's holding you back? Usually I say I do a lot of shopping hauls and try-ons, but I am going to be shopping from my closet for the nest 2 months. So hang with me and see all the stuff that I got and see what kind of issues I have, because I've actually gone a little bit too crazy. My lifestyle now, I don't leave the house. I'm here all the time, so it really does not make sense for me to buy any more clothes. But I obviously will go back to shopping. And, you know, you're going to help me purge my outfits, clothes I should say, and help me style some outfits for me. Take care, and until next time.